All right, hi everybody. The next one is called a Life. That's the next Inktober prompt. And I like Flower of Life as, that's the first thing that came to mind. So that's what I'm going to do. If you guys are unfamiliar with Flower of Life, let me look it up here for you. Search. Flower of Life is a base pattern. We can add other things to it, but the Flower of Life goes with just simple dots, and then you do lumpy bumps. You make these rice shapes going both directions, and it ends up like that. It's a super simple one. And you know what? I think I'm going to just do a little one today. Let's just do a little Flower of Life. Let's do this dark brown. I'm doing them kind of all on dark paper because, I don't know, that's how I feel like Inktober should be. Let's do it with a white pen though, shall we? Super simple one. Let's do a Flower of Life. Let's do, I'm just going to do my rice shapes. And we're just going to have it, it will be the size that it is. I guess it's going to be 4 down. Okay. They seem to be smaller at the top and getting bigger as they go down. That's okay. Do I want one more? I think I do. Kind of close to the edge, but it's all right. She's okay. Just be careful not to stick my finger in it. I'm just going quick. These are going to be quick sketches, these Inktober's. They're not going to be super crazy. I think I want a little something in them though. I think I'm going to put a little like blossom. It's fine. It's just fine. Okay, there we go. Down and dirty, quick and simple. Did you know I could even draw anything in less than 10 minutes? Look at that, a 5-minute drawing. Boom, done, easy. I'm happy with that. You guys have a great day. Have an awesome weekend. Today's what, Saturday? We're doing our things. We're enjoying life, and we're just rushing headlong into the winter season. Take some time to really enjoy your day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.